Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious sorbet with your Kuvings juicer. It's a fantastic way to enjoy healthy, refreshing treats at home. We'll cover everything from selecting and preparing your favorite fruits to the simple process of using your Kuvings machine. Get ready to create creamy, flavorful sorbets that are perfect for any occasion, all with just a few easy steps and your versatile juicer. Let's get started. Before you begin, proper fruit preparation is key to perfect sorbet. Select your favorite ripe fruits, such as sweet mangoes, juicy berries, or creamy bananas. Wash them thoroughly, peel if necessary, and then cut them into small, manageable pieces, about 1 to 2 inches in size. The most crucial step is to freeze these fruit pieces completely solid for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight. This ensures your sorbet will have that wonderfully thick and smooth texture. Now for the fun part, making the sorbet with your Kuvings. First, replace the juicing strainer with the specialized sorbet strainer, which usually has larger holes. Make sure the smart cap is open so your delicious sorbet can flow out easily. Begin feeding your completely frozen fruit pieces into the juicer's chute one by one. If the fruit gets stuck, use the tamper gently to guide it down. Watch as your Kuvings transforms the frozen fruit into a smooth, delightful sorbet. Once your sorbet is ready, it's best enjoyed immediately for the freshest taste and perfect consistency. Scoop it into bowls or cones and consider adding a garnish like fresh mint, a few extra berries, or a light drizzle of honey. If you have any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the freezer for up to 1 week. Don't be afraid to get creative and try various fruit combinations to discover your new favorite sorbet flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.